The ATEM Mini power supply you need depends on which model you have. My name's Jake Galvan. Let's get you one. When I decided to get a new power supply, I went straight to B&H and quickly found that they were on back order. It's even back ordered from the manufacturer. Fortunately, they sent me a part number, and while looking at the part number, I was able to see that it's just a standard 12 volt, 12 watt power adapter. Now, if you're like me and you just have the standard ATEM Mini because the other ones weren't available when you first got it, yours only needs 18 watts. If you have the Mini Pro, you need 30 watts. If you have the Mini Pro ISO, you're going to need 36 watts, as you see here. What's interesting is the Extreme and the Extreme ISO also take 36 watts. So that leads me to believe that the power adapters are going to be exactly the same. Now let's take a look on Amazon. I ordered 4 different brands, and this is the one that I landed on. It just seemed to work with how I have all of my plugs situated. You can see down here that this has 12 volts, 18 watts, just like we needed. One of the main differences between the Chanson power adapter and the Blackmagic Design power adapter is that the Chanson model does not come with the international adapters. It just comes in this small box right here, and here's what you get. You get the power adapter. Notice that it does not have the locking connector like the factory one does, and also the 120 volt power plug is rotated 90 degrees. That's really it. Size difference is kind of substantial. The one from Chanson is, I would say, about 35 to 40% larger than the factory one. I keep saying factory because I'm a car person. Don't worry about it. Now, if for some reason you can't find this one on Amazon, just make sure the one that you do find is a 5.5 millimeter outside diameter with 2.5 millimeter inside diameter. Quick backstory, I'm a full-time teacher and I like to make videos for my students. And when I say I like to make videos for them, I mean I kind of need to because 40 of them are still at home and the other 80 of them are in school, and I'm a shop teacher, so I have to keep my setup really portable. And my setup's actually on wheels. We'll talk about that another day. And it allows me to move it around the shop, and that's all fine. I don't want to take it apart every time I need to bring it home. Why do I bring it home? Because I like to make videos for you, and my kids like to stream every now and then. They'll hop on Terraria, they'll hop on Minecraft, things like that, and just have a good time. All right, well, now that I've told you why I want a new power supply, why don't you tell me how come you need one? Why'd you watch this video? Did you break your power supply? Did you somehow run over it? Did it get lost? Is it starting to fray? Did your dog eat it? Let me know. Hit me up in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one. All right, that's it. See you later.